Tell me what you think of your new bed, honey. You like your new bed?
I even can jump in it.
You even can jump in it.
Could I go on the side?
Show me how you lay down in your new bed. Good job. Do you think that's going to work out for you?
Yeah!
Mommy built that for you, kind of.
Just like Bob the Builder.
Just like Bob the Builder.
Bye-bye.
What do you think of your Lightning McQueen bed?
I like the way it is.
You like the way it is? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. You going to sleep in it tonight?
Yeah. Like that.
Okay.
See you later.
See you later. You going to show Daddy when he gets home?
Yeah. He's going home.
Well, it looks like it's going to work out for you, honey. I like it.
You like it too?
Mm-hmm.
You like it? You like the way it is? Like the way it is? I've been comparing my garden.
You what?
I've been comparing my garden. I've been comparing my cars in it.
You think you're going to play with cars in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's stickers.
No, I'm not going to stick stickers on your new bed.
I don't think so. I don't.
Who's that? Who's that up on the front of your bed? Who is that?
It's like looking at the mirror.
Lightning McQueen and Tomater.